In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a list in Trello. If you're looking to add a splash of color to your boards, you're in the right place. Changing the color of a list can help you organize your tasks, make the board more visually appealing, and quite frankly, it's just a fun way to personalize your space. Let's dive right into the steps on how to do just that. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Trello board where you'd like to make this change. You can do this by logging into your Trello account and selecting the relevant board from your dashboard. If you're unfamiliar with the dashboard, it's essentially the home page of Trello where all your boards display. So, find your project board from there. Once you're on the correct board, locate the list that you want to change the color of. Each list is typically organized as a column within your Trello board, holding a series of cards that represent tasks or items related to your project or workflow. Now, you're going to look for the three little dots icon, also known as the menu icon, located at the top right corner of the list you're focusing on. It's a universal symbol for additional options, and clicking or tapping on it will open up more setting options for your list. Make sure you're on the right list before you click, so you don't accidentally change the color of the wrong list. After you've clicked on the three dots, you'll see a menu drop down with various options for configuring your list. Among these options, you should find an option to change the background or cover color of your list. At this point, you'll be presented with a variety of colors to choose from. Think about how the new color will look alongside the other lists on your board, and consider choosing a color that complements the rest of your board or helps the list stand out. Don't be afraid to get creative here. The ability to color code lists can support quick identification and add a layer of personalization to your board. Once you've decided on a color, go ahead and select your choice. This color will now apply to your list, providing a new look and feel to your board. Just remember, you can always change it again if you'd like to try another variation or if the color scheme of your project changes. That's it. You've successfully changed the color of a list in your Trello board. This simple adjustment can enhance your workflow by making your board more visually organized and tailored to your preferences. Thank you for watching this tutorial on changing list colors in Trello. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy organizing.